Hey guys, this is Russ Church with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services California Properties at my listing out here in Northridge, 9343 White Oak Avenue. And beautiful longtime family owned home, 4 bedrooms, 3 bath, a little over 3,000 square feet. And the huge lot of 15,000 plus. Let's go on in. So as soon as we walk in, we're greeted by the formal living room. But first, something I have to point out, the front door, you've got to see the beautiful custom glasswork. Very detailed. And in front of the custom door, there's also a security gate. Now we'll move on to the formal living. So the formal living room opens up to you see the entryway, then the den, and then off in the distance is the formal dining. You also have a fireplace. Gas burning fireplace. And the patio. Up next we have the formal dining room with beautiful custom chandelier and a wall of mirror. Kind of gives off the impression that the room's a lot bigger, but the room is huge. And adjacent to the formal dining area is the huge cook's kitchen. Giant cutting board in the middle, center island cutting board. Gigantic oversized built-in KitchenAid refrigerator. Double oven. 6-burner stovetop. Just in the corner here is the pantry with tons of cabinet space, wet bar, and then connected right on off the kitchen here is a small desk space, workspace, which leads into the den. Also features a skylight. You've got there's a bar, wet bar. Perfect for family get-togethers. And gives you access to the patio. We're going down into the separate wing where you've got a 3/4 bath. Most of the bathrooms in this home have a bidet. The 2 bathrooms, other than this one, have a bidet. And then you've got a laundry area, huge laundry area with your water hookups, cabinet space, folding station. And then on the other side is the converted garage, which was used as office space and not included with the square footage. So our square footage is 3,012, but with this room, it's much bigger. And off of this bedroom here, you've got a closet, which actually see has 2 floor safes, plenty of shelving space. Oh, and we've got another floor safe. So the door right there leads over to the garage, which we'll go into. And now we're in the garage, which is huge, huge 2-car garage. And even with the garage conversion, you could still fit plenty in here. Plenty of shelving space, cabinetry. And those two doors, the one leads to the office and the other leads to the closet from the office. And you got the huge backyard with plenty of different variety of fruit trees. Huge carport. Could put an RV back here, a few vehicles. Plenty of space. Don't mind my scary looking shadow. See more fruit trees here. Now here's your patio access from both the formal living and the family room. You're probably wondering what all that scaffolding is. The family used to they'd grow vines of various, grapes, tomatoes. So that's what that's from. And then here, you have access to the master bedroom, so outside access. We'll go in there in a second. Okay, so now we are in the master bedroom. And this is that doorway that we saw from outside. You have a walk-in closet, a cool little sitting area, bay window with storage space, and then a whole wall of built-in cabinetry, custom closet built-ins. Really cool. Then we'll head this way and we see there's the bathroom vanity. Plenty of shelving and cabinet space. And here we have the master bathroom, dual sink, custom fixtures, and a bidet, which I mentioned before. 2 of the 3 bathrooms have the bidet. And then this really interesting looking spa. You don't see this in everyday listings. And then adjacent you have the shower. So now on to the other bedrooms. Huge sized bedrooms in this house. So this is this is bedroom number 3 that we've looked at, if you're counting the office space. Got custom built-ins and myself. And in the hallway, you've got tons of cabinetry for linen. This is the furnace closet. Furnace is pretty new. It's within the last 5 years. And then the last bedroom. Huge last bedroom. With mirrored closets. And that does it for 9343 White Oak Avenue, Northridge. Located really close to CSUN, Cal State University Northridge, just a hop, skip, and a jump over, maybe 1 minute away. We're priced right now at $920. We were originally $945. We just reduced it recently, so $920. So if you want any more info, give us a call, email us, go to our website, www.soldbyruss.com. Send smoke signals, send a carrier pigeon, whatever it is, just get on over here and let's make an offer. Let's put an offer in. Thank you. And this is Russ Church with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, California Properties. And we'll see you next time.